Hi, my name's Ed Mermolia. I work in the Wauwatosa, Wisconsin branch. I've been in industry almost 19 years, and I've been working for Total Mortgage for 3.5 years. I've been married 29 years. I have a 28-year-old daughter and a 26-year-old son. When I'm not working at Total Mortgage, my hobbies are going up north, fishing, hanging out with my friends, and we also like to travel down to Charleston, South Carolina, where my daughter is stationed in the Air Force, and we spend quite a bit of time down there with her. When my wife and I bought our first 2 homes, I didn't really like how the process worked, so I tried to do something just a little bit different. I guess I wasn't born into just being a salesman. I consider myself a teacher, an educator, and my goals are to give all the information to my clients so they can make the best lending choices possible for themselves. I had a client of mine that just closed not too long ago. He told me he was turned down 3 times, him and his wife. And at the closing table, him and his wife were very emotional. And he stood up and he asked me if he could give me a hug. He appreciated the time I took with him and the time that Total Mortgage worked with them as well to achieve his goal of his first-time home ownership. And he said we changed his life. He used the term saved his life, but I think we just changed his life. I pride myself on trying to assist first-time home buyers. My goal is to basically, when you're a first-time home buyer, is one of the biggest investments of your life. And I feel that knowing what you're doing and who you're working with is important, but also getting all the education you need in the background required to make a conscious decision on what is the best plan for you. I also love assisting people with refinancing. Sometimes in this rate environment, people think that rates are high, but they're actually not. Refinancing is an easy, simple process for me. I sit down with all clients, I give them a free credit analysis to see if it makes sense to do it. If it does, we do, and if it doesn't, we won't. So I love the opportunity to chat with you about that opportunity to see if maybe refinancing and saving some money is fitting for you and your family. So if you have any questions or concerns after we're done with the loan process here, I'm available to speak with you before and after normal business hours. And there's never a dumb question. When you have a question, I want you to reach out versus to hold it back and not ask it. I can be reached via cell phone, texting, or email. I'm here for you. My goal is to satisfy your needs and to help you get to your goal, and that is a new home purchase or refinance. So if you have a question, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to assist you.